All right. Hello, students. So I wanted to really focus on slope in this video, and in the next video, we're focusing more on graphing given the equation. So here we're getting some points, and we'll do the red and the blue, and we'll talk about graphing those points and then determining what the slope is. So the red points, remember they come in x comma y order. So when I look at a point, the x value is the first number I see, alphabetical order. So when x is 1 and y is 2, that's this point right here, 1 comma 2. Then we have 4 comma 3, 4 steps to the right, 3 steps up. And we have 7 comma 4 like this. If you connect those dots right there, you can make a nice, beautiful straight line. Obviously not perfect when I'm just drawing on my computer screen, but connecting those dots makes a nice straight line. I want you to notice that I didn't just use those as endpoints, making a line segment, but I went through them and beyond, and the little arrows on the end indicate that this line goes on forever. So that was step one, was graphing the points, and then step two was to determine the slope of the line. And you should have this written in your notes. And if you don't have it written in your notes, write it down again. In fact, write it down over and over and over again. I want this to be second nature for you, that when we say the word slope, you hear rise over run when we're talking about a graph. So what I'm going to do is try to connect the dots. So let's connect this dot to the next dot over here, like this. What I want to determine is, imagining this is like a stair, how far up, how far over do I have to go? The up part isn't so bad, it went up by 1 box. The over part, I just count 1, 2, 3. Looks like it took 3 steps to the right. And so my slope for the red graph is 1 over 3. We will be using the letter m to stand for slope throughout this unit. So we can say that the red slope, m equals 1/3. By the way, you could have seen that just by looking at our original points and noticing that the y value increased by 1 and the x value increased by 3. But sometimes it's nice to be able to do it visually as well as just with the numbers. I'm going to do the same thing just a little quicker with the blue dots now. So we have -6 comma -3. Oops, a little bit low. -6, -3 is right there. Then we have -1, +2 right here. Then we have +4, +7 right here. Connect those dots with a nice straight line. Continues on forever. Come in and draw a slope triangle, connecting my 2 points. Calculate the rise. It looks like the rise on this is 5. And the run, looks like the run on this is also 5. So my slope for my blue line is 5 over 5. My line is not perfect, but it should be going up 1 box every single time. 5 over 5 reduces down to 1. There you go. That's it for this video, where we were just focusing on slope and graphing the points. In the next video, I'll go to the next page of the notes. We're practicing graphing y equals mx plus b equations. Please let me know if you have any questions.